remember also the nodes. Okay, we have these ones. We have the S, okay, Alt S, that are the common one after the other. We also have Alt P, which are parallel nodes, which are gonna affect at the same time at the image, are not gonna be one after the other. And then we also have the opposite nodes that are this, the opposite. For example, if you have a mask here, like we did with this image, opposite. And remember, the opposite, they have this line here, the parallel. Okay, now I'm going to create another. The parallel is like this, and then they go to here, and then even you can make them go to another node at the end if you want. So all these things, remember, these are the nodes you're gonna use the most here. So there's really, it's really 3. Okay. So let's move into the next part of the course. I'm gonna, again, I'm gonna go a bit to this. We're gonna see into more detail, a little bit more detail, but it's not gonna be very long. And then we're gonna move to other stuff. And also we're gonna talk about the color warper, okay, which is, again, selecting places, selecting things of the image, giving parameters to colors so they change the look. Now, because I have this, but you see what I did already. Okay, so this, we're gonna see a bit this, that again, they all very familiar, all of these things in a way. They look pretty much the same. Okay, this really, like if you touch it without knowing what do you touch, you really feel like they all do the same thing, these things. And in a way, yes, they do it, but in a different way. Okay, and if you know how to use them, then is when you can actually perfect your image. But you need to understand, okay, why we use them and how we use these tools. So stay for the next video, and I see you in the next video. Okay, continuing with our color page. Okay, hope you are enjoying it, and I am. I think it's a very good tool of an amazing software, really, and this is really amazing what you can do with this. And as it's clean too. Other softwares, they don't do it as good as this one, really, believe me. It's pretty clean. Okay, the way it does it is with a good hand. Okay, it's not dirtying your image. Okay, in any case, it's amazing how it does it, and the way it is also as a interface, I think is great. Okay, we saw that it's not that difficult. We have primaries, we have this curve, we have all these elements here, and that's it really. And the waveforms and all these things, and then the nodes. Okay, once you understand how all these work together, you can try, and first time is not gonna be very good, probably, and second time a bit better, third time a bit better. Okay, but make sure you understand the nodes and you use them, because also, as in working, that's very good, these nodes, because there is infinite the things you can do, how you wanna establish your working desk. There are infinite the things you can do, but also you can always go back because you see everything, all these changes that you've been doing. So it's an advantage also to have all the nodes a bit clean, you know, because then you can say, oh, what happened here? There's a moment that this image, I lost the track. And believe me, happens a lot, that you are doing color and then you thought you had it, for pushing a bit more and trying to do more things, then it's all wrong. If you use the nodes, it's never gonna happen this. You will always find the place that you get lost, and you will understand why you got lost, and you can delete it then. And it doesn't affect the other things that you did that were right, are gonna still be here. So see you next video, and I hope you enjoy it.